Are you sounding like this? I'm going to my company's party tomorrow. Or I'm going to my company's party tomorrow. It's because you don't change the pitch of your voice and every word receives the same note. To sound natural and interesting, you have to include pitch variation to your speaking. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, hello and welcome to my channel. This is Mia. I have a genuine passion about English, and I'm here to help you speak English more clearly and confidently. So, go back to our question. How can you vary the pitch of your voice? In spoken English, not every word receives the same note. Some words have higher notes and some words have lower notes, and that creates the varied intonation, and that helps us sound natural, engaging. You may be wondering, how do I know which words are higher or lower in pitch? And that leads us to the concept of stressed words. Stressed words are usually higher and longer in pitch, and content words are normally stressed words. In a sentence, content words can be nouns, verbs, adverbs, or adjectives. So when you can identify content words, you know they are higher in pitch. And to make it clear and understandable, we are going to practice a sentence together. Just go back to the sentence at the beginning of the video. Now, can you tell me what content words are? Exactly. They are going company's party tomorrow. So these words should be stressed. I'm going to my company's party tomorrow. Let's say the sentence with me. I'm going to my company's party tomorrow. However, although we changed the pitch throughout the sentence, but the change was not dominant. No content word was significantly higher than others. When you particularly emphasize the word, it will create the vocal intonation, and that is going to change the meaning of the sentence. For example, if I say, I am going to my company's party tomorrow, it means that I will go, not you. So unless you want to convey a specific meaning, the pitch variation should not be too much different pitching content words. Now let's practice another sentence together. This sentence is longer than the one we already did. So for a long text, we can break it down into smaller chunks or smaller thought groups, and in each group, it has content words. So with this sentence, we can break it down into something like this. Now please tell me the content words in each group. If you are choosing these words, so you're correct. Let's say the sentence with me. After I finish work, we can go out for dinner and watch a movie if you like. Before we wrap up, I just want to say that this part is difficult, so be patient and keep practicing. Okay, that's it. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share, or subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.